Okay, Minister. Don't do it for us, what you have, what you know, do for us. Don't do it for us. What can do, Minister? Repeat. Yes, So but it's going to where?
Young Butch, you know, Young Butch, you listen, Young Butch to support it. And that Young Butch village, into there. Here to there is
from here?
Yes.
Young Butch. Starting from there. They push it like that.
No,
no, this is a place. Come on, this is how many kilometers?
This one, this is 15.5.
No, this is very long now.
From the bridge there, from the starting point.
The one of 8 to 5
is 15 dollars. 1 year is 15.4.
So you say it's only 400 meters longer. I say it's only 400 meters longer than the 8 to 5.
Yes, Your Excellency. So the rate of speed, the rate at which we drive from that place and from 8 to 2. We are driving and we are in cost.
This is a gradient place now.
Yes, sir.
So it's shortened out to this place.
From there is 30 kilometers.
From here we can go to
From 8 to
5 minutes.
Yeah,
Yes.
The express.
Yes, sir.
Then from here you go maximum 30 kilometers. You have to have a certain storage.
Manage here now, it is better for
Yes.
this flight.
But you never try to come out.
This place is good for intake. So let's
unless you stay. Musa, I bet let's stay here.
Honestly, very good food.
He might not come here. So you take a step forward.
Friend I meet him
You
there.
understand, ba?
Like this.
You are out this afternoon with the Honorable Minister to see what is happening in the nation's capital.
Yes.
What's your assessment on what you have seen on ground?
We've been to Gwagwalada, from there to Kwali, and then we're here now. It's the level of work going on is just incredible. In under 2 years, I'm quite amazed. Abuja is becoming something else. You know, it's a world-class city, and the developments are such that it covers both the urban and rural areas. Like at the Bwari, we saw a lot of places for farmlands with waters and co. So I think Abuja come back to life. We should commend the minister for putting his heart to the job and commend the president for giving all the support that he requires for this wonderful feat achieved so far.
So in terms of standards of what you have seen, can you just give us your assessment?
The quality is world class. The quality is world class. You know, the roads, you can see for yourself, the roads are world class.
Okay. You served as Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives about the beginning of the Fourth Republic.
Correct.
In your estimation, what will you say is the difference between then and now in terms of Abuja?
If we had been at this pace from 1999, Abuja would have long ago been much more than where it is today. You know, I've seen many ministers come and go. This is the one that really has made a great impact on the nation's capital.
To extend those infrastructures, what is your prayer or what is your take to the resident of the nation's capital as to make judicial use of those infrastructure to boost the economy of those areas and their lives?
First of all, government has provided the infrastructure needed by the residents. It is for residents to own it. So that we will have the sustainability. Let people not vandalize or destroy what has been provided. Take, for example, we are providing street lights, and the citizens owe it as a duty to see that they also secure these street lights. Government cannot do everything. While we have security agencies, we can also offer help to the security agencies by providing useful information. It will be wrong, and we'll come back here tomorrow. You hear that one of the poles have been vandalized, the wires have been taken away. If we own this property, this is our community, it will not happen. So our prayer is that for them to enjoy it, for government to think that yes, they deserve it, they should also play their own role by making sure they protect this infrastructure. Before they were the one crying, oh, go to Shafa, go to the Army College Road, so bad. Government has done their own. Government has provided to make life meaningful. They should also help government by making sure that they protect what has been provided.
Your Excellency, sir, there are about 19 projects set for commissioning. Among these projects, sir, which one is most dear to your heart?
All are there. All. Not like most dear, because it affects the life of the people. If I choose the international conference, then the people in the village say, oh, how many of us will use the international conference? This is very much important to them. So everyone is important. So not like anyone is there. All. That's why we're giving attention to all. If one is there, then we will not have paid attention to all of them. So every project that we commissioned for these 19 days are all important as far as they have a positive impact on the lives of the people.
Okay. We went on a second inspection on a very long stretch of road, and that will cater to many farmers. Is there a plan to turn Abuja to another food basket, not just the...
In fact, I can attest to the fact that today I was very happy. You know, when we flagged off that project, where we stopped from A2 to Pi, which had been completed, and then we flagged off that Pi to Bwari. So we never, of course, there was no road for you to drive, but thank God we were able to go there today. You can see, we shouldn't be talking about the food security in Nigeria. Look at the land, look at the water. To make irrigation directly to supply to the farmers, it's just leadership. And I believe with the leadership we have today under Bola Ahmed Tinubu, you will see what is going to happen. I was talking with my brother, my friends, to look at land. And you don't blame anybody, there's no road. So what are you going to do with the land? Now there is road. You can see so many people will use it now. You can see people go and do farming. And then they have also directed the coordinator of the satellite development that where we stopped will take you 13 kilometers to Yangoje. That is in Kwale going to Lokoja. So I've told them to bring zebras that did from A2 to Pi. It appears they have the capacity. Let them also go and scoop that as another emergency, so that at the end of the day, from the Yangoje down to A2 will be about 40-something kilometers, and that place will be something else. And we're happy that we are willing to do it, and the communities are so happy. This is what we talk about, development. People that have talked about dividend of democracy. When you are going to that road, you'll be happy. Look at the lights, the street lights. You won't even know you're in a village again. And that's what will attract investors to that place. Without that road, people want to do mechanized farming won't come. So it doesn't make sense. So road is the centerpiece or the cornerstone of every development in the country or in any state. With the road, other things will now come up. You can go and build schools. You can go and build health facilities. But if those roads were not there, it doesn't make sense. So we're happy what we're doing.
All right, Your Excellency, have you been able to establish where exactly the area council, in particular, the president will be visiting? I know the project.
That will be the choice of Mr. President. That's security questions. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Say, God bless you, thank you, God bless you, thank you, you are doing well. How does that make you feel, sir?
People appreciate the good things of the government of Bola Tinubu. They were not happy before because they couldn't see the impact of government. Now that they have seen it, they're only appreciating it. That's part of life. That you have come to change our life. You have come to give us back that hope that was lost. It's natural. It's natural. And we also are happy that people appreciate what the government is doing for them. It takes two to tango. So when you do well, you see the happiness in the people. When you're doing nothing, people will not be happy. So that's what it takes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
They said we are going down, no?
That place.
We don't get sent on the flight.